I made one of these octagons out of 90mm decking material. Now I found that it worked, but the problem was that I had too much of a gap on one side. So now I've got some 140mm board, same stuff, Merbo, and I'm going to offset the circle. I'll create a circle that comes like that. So I've got good cover on that side and the equal cover on this side of the cutout for the tree fern. This is nice. It's good fun. They don't take long to make. I'll just domino it together, hit the glue on it, and then fit it tomorrow. This time I glued them up individually on their own piece of paper, so I didn't stuff up and glue the joint together. I've got to put these together around the tree fern trunk, so that's when I'll glue those together. I'm going to put a dry domino, like dry joints, in here at the moment. So here we have the eccentric hole deck insert for the tree ferns around. It's being held away from where it's going to be by the clamps going across at the moment, but when it dries, it'll come back this way just a little bit, and then I'll have a nice even space, which will be quite good. The edge is lining up, and this edge is lining up as well. This is all out of 6-inch decking in comparison to 4-inch, because I needed to have it eccentric. It's that circle, 250mm, is off center to the octagon. A lot of mucking around, but hey, I'm only doing it once. Why not do a nice job? You're being helpful again, are you? Can I do this? Mosquitoes. That's nice. Very nice. Done. The end result has been pretty nice. I'll have it show you down there. That's how it looks. A whole lot neater than just going straight in to, yeah, you can see over there onto the deck. I still got to do all the handrails. This one's just in temporarily, but that looks good. I'm happy with that. Very happy. It's worth it.